I have a Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to log off or how to disconnect from a Wi-Fi network and probably even forget that network. Now on your Samsung Smart TV, that involves deleting that network from your list of saved networks. So what you want to do is just grab your remote and then go to settings. Now on this particular TV, I'll just go to the left side panel, select settings, and on the quick settings shortcuts, I'll scroll and find all settings. Now on the all settings window, scroll down to connection, select that, and then go down to network, select that, and then I'll go to open network settings. Now that's going to open the network type page. So select wireless, and then it's going to search and list for you all Wi-Fi networks. So I want to disconnect from this particular Wi-Fi network without necessarily connecting to this one. Okay, I can always disconnect from this one by simply logging onto this. But if I want to just disconnect, all I need to do is just come here to manage saved networks, select that, and then I'll choose the network I want to delete, and then confirm here that I want to delete, which also means forgetting that network. So that means your TV will never automatically connect to that particular network. And once you do that, that's it. That's basically how to log off or forget a Wi-Fi network on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.